Hey everyone, Billy here. Well, on this video, that will be, well, the log cabin, a nice evening, a night at the log cabin. So maybe I will do a little bit of cooking also. I love it here. Woo. This is a nice upgrade, huh? Now this is paradise. Woo. Oh, my friend, this is great. I love this bed. You know, I got it from my sponsor, Cabela's Bass Pro. Very great place, you know, to sleep. Love it. Okie dokie. Now it's time. So this is my trap for the mice. The mice goes up here, and after they come here, they try to get peanut butter that I'm putting here. The peanut butter just goes here. Here we go. So when they climb up, they smell the peanut butter. Pew, they go here, and after they fall in the water, there is water inside. So tonight, cooking on wood stove, that will be some pork, ossobuco. Marinade very easy, tamari sauce, maple syrup, oh yes, as always, and olive oil and salt and pepper, and that's it. This gonna be great. Oh, this is so great. It smells like caramelized sugar from the maple syrup, which smells very good inside. Oh, and with the smell of the smoke from the wood stove, light smoke, very great, very comfortable. This is perfect, but it's hot. It's getting hot inside. Woo! Oh, my friend, it will be great. Oh, very great. Woo.
and the buildings are staring down at me, and I am stumbling. I call you on the phone to tell you that I love you.